All right, so today I'm going to be installing some Stifflers seat bracket extenders that they debuted at PRI this year. They're going to move the seat back about 4 inches and also drop it down maybe a ½ inch for clearance. So if you're tall, this is something you're definitely going to want for your Foxbody. First step's going to be remove your 4 bolts from your seat. You got 2 15mm nuts in the front and 2 15mm bolts in the back. All right, just a reminder, make sure if your seat's electric, you unplug it so you don't damage the wiring or that connector. The next step of the install is going to be to put the seat brackets in. That front hole goes across with the factory stud. Same for the other side. The back holes will line up. And put the back bolts in. Now the front nuts, and tighten them down. All right, now that the Stiffler brackets are installed, you can put the seat back in and reconnect the electrical connector. All right, with the electrical connector plugged back in, you can drop your washers on and install the nuts. These are going to be 14mm, by the way, so you're going to swap your socket out. And go ahead and tighten these down. Now we're going to move the seat forward and do the backs. Same thing, install the washers and the nuts. They're 14mm. All right, here's my first impression with the seat brackets in. And I'm moving the seat back now. All right, I got to move the seat up a little bit. Never mind. It's too far back. These are very nice, high quality parts from Stifflers. Thanks again, Stifflers, for hooking me up with a set.